everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make a classic lasagna, so let's get started with the video. We're going to begin by preparing our ingredients. First, dice 1 onion, 1 red bell pepper, and 1 green bell pepper. When you're finished, set your ingredients to the side until you're ready to use them. Now we're going to make the ricotta mixture. In a bowl, add 2 cups of ricotta cheese, 2 to 3 tablespoons of Boursin garlic and herb cheese, 1/4 cup of shredded Parmesan cheese, 1/4 cup of Italian blend cheese or mozzarella cheese, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of pepper, 1 tablespoon of parsley, and 1 egg. Then mix everything together until well combined. Once you have finished making your ricotta mixture, set it to the side. Next, in a large pot filled with water, add salt. Bring the water to a boil and then add 12 lasagna noodles. Cook the lasagna noodles for however long it says to on the box. Now we're going to make the sauce. In a large pan over medium heat, add olive oil. Then add 1 pound of the ground meat of your choice, I'm using ground turkey, and half a pound of ground Italian sausage. Then break up the meat in the pan. Next, add a half a cup of diced onions and a half a cup of diced bell peppers. Then add your seasonings. I added seasoned salt, onion powder, garlic powder, pepper, Creole Seasoning, and Italian seasoning. Once you've added all of your seasonings, cook the ground meat until it has browned. Once the ground meat has browned and completely cooked through, add 45 ounces of your favorite tomato sauce. I'm using ragu tomato, garlic, and onion sauce. After adding the sauce, mix everything together until well combined. Once you finish making the sauce, you can begin assembling the lasagna. First, add 2 spoonfuls of the sauce in a 9x13 baking dish. Then spread the sauce evenly throughout the pan. Next, place 6 lasagna noodles over the sauce. Then add half of your ricotta mixture. Make sure to evenly spread the ricotta mixture. Next, add a layer of Italian blend cheese. You can also use mozzarella cheese, but I like using Italian blend for lasagna. Now add half of the sauce and spread it out evenly throughout the pan. Then add shredded Parmesan cheese on top. Repeat the same layers as before with the remaining ingredients. Next, top the lasagna with the remaining Italian blend cheese. When you're finished, cover the baking dish in tin foil. Next, place it in the oven at 375 degrees for 25 minutes. After 25 minutes, remove the tinfoil and then continue to bake the lasagna for another 25 minutes. After the lasagna has finished baking, let it cool for about 15 minutes, and after that you are all done. And this is the finished result! This lasagna was absolutely delicious, and it's one of my favorite recipes to make for dinner. Alright, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Everything I used in this video will be down in the description below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!